Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello, my name is FREAK4TECH and I'm welcoming you all to my YouTube channel Freaking Technologist. Today we are review about Mi Note 5 Pro key specs.
Talking about Mi Note 5 Pro display, it has a 5.99-inch full-screen display featuring an aspect ratio of 18:9. It's width similar to traditional 5.5-inch smartphone while offering 12.5% more display area. The rounded display corners are designed to match the corners of the device for an elegant design that's obvious at first glance, and corners are reinforced to increase its durability. Redmi Note 5 Pro implements a rear dual-camera setup to offer portrait photography photos with focused backgrounds using high-end primary sensor to ensure quality both in and out. Portrait mode, its 1.25-micron pixel sensor captures more light than typical smartphone cameras, and secondary camera offers an authentic bokeh effect. Front camera to a 20MP Sony IMX376 sensor pairing with this our Beautify 4.0 AI algorithm and 4500K front LED selfie-light means you will take better selfies than ever before, even in low light conditions. Redmi Note 5 Pro marks the global debut of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 octa-core processor. It's Qualcomm's latest 600 series chipset. This chipset features newest cryo technology which typically seen only in 800 series. This sets a new benchmark while still giving the incredible power efficiency for which the Redmi Note series is known. Software and other security features MIUI 9, Android N based. Rear fingerprint sensor. Face unlock features in March with software ROTA update. One of the world's most power-efficient smartphone with a massive 4000 mAh battery to create an incredibly long-lasting experience. 14 hours of video playback, 7 hours of video recording and 8.5 hours of continuous gaming with the all-new Snapdragon 636. This fuels incredibly long-lasting yet high-powered Redmi Note 5 Pro. Redmi Note 5 Pro available in India with the price range of Rs 13,999 for 4GB plus 64GB variant and Rs 16,999 for 6GB plus 64GB variant. Redmi Note 5 Pro you can buy from Flipkart, Mi Store, Mi Home and Mi Connected offline retailers, also available in various colors such as rose gold, gold blue and black.